What's up, guys?
What's up?
I'm here with my buddy Tony,
Yep.
and we're gonna be doing some work on his '05 Toyota Camry.
That's right.
Then we're gonna be putting on rear pads, rotors, and that's about it. But we're gonna take you guys on a ride. Let the garage warm up.
Don't forget about them calipers.
All right.
Gotta do a good job all the way around.
All right. Well, we got the heat on in the garage, and we're gonna take off, get some parts. See y'all later. First, we're gonna take off the tire, 21 millimeters, with our Milwaukee half-inch mid-torque.
I bought some new lugs too. Remember that one that was really bad?
Yeah, I picked up one. We have 14 millimeter bolts that secure the caliper to the mount behind here. We use our handy dandy multi-sided mountain wrench to loosen up these fasteners. And we're gonna do it not like a caveman. We have the old first gen Milwaukee ratcheting. It's just a power ratchet. Get that off.
Caliper still looks good, you say, huh?
Looks decent. Get that rubber later. Does appear you have a little bit of corrosion and nasty on that pin right there.
Okay. Maybe that's why it was sticking.
Possible. And we'll get this off right here and we'll take a look at these pads. The reason you're grinding there.
My wrench decided it wanted to stick right here on me.
Short little guys. And she's not going to want to give it up. So we use a little persuasion. And here you go. Inside pad is gone.
That's what was grinding.
There is really nothing left to it. I do believe like that whole pad came right off before its time. Is what it looks like. What it looks like to me.
Oh yeah, she's completely.
It's gone. It hasn't even worn all. It just left and then that was it.
Cut.
So we are going to remove this caliper. So we'll just pinch off this line here. These handy dandy pinchers. Grab a bucket for the brake fluid. Okay. Try to empty out all that old brake fluid out of there. That's going back as a core. You just want to inspect this bolt here to see just which side that copper ring is on. Sometimes it gets stuck to the back. You don't want to double it up. Go grab our new one. Insert. One copper ring on this side, and then you have to have one on this side. So it's kind of a juggle, but
The banjo bolt here was threading in real stiff, but it wasn't cross threaded. I checked it with the wrench and it was just fine. So we continued.
Make sure you get it threaded in. Hopefully the right way. I think we're good. Let's just gonna give her a gentle turn with the wrench. And it appears we're okay. She's just a little stiff. A little stiff, man.
Steven her.
All right. Couple few ugga duggas. You want some good pressure on that? Otherwise, she's gonna leak. Release our pressure. We should be outfitted now. In that sense. Just kind of hang this little guy in the back here. So we took our trusty hammer and took more than that, but remove the rotor. Now we're going to clean the rotor with a little brake clean. And we'll hit up the inside. Tony's not running any gear in there, but you know, it's clean now.
Gear lube?
Not running any gear for emergency brake pads
Oh yeah.
on this side.
I remember we cut them when we put them hubs in.
Yep. Oh, they're gone. We'll clean up this side too. Very nice.
That's very nice.
And we went to the bench and pre-assembled the new hanger with both pads and a scratcher. That's what makes it sound once the pad gets down to a lower level where you should be aware
to change your pads.
Yes. We install these 14mm bolts. Heading for those holes blind right now. We got one started. At least you hope so when it's blind, right?
All right.
Okay. Use this 14mm, and we'll tighten these up. I like to hold on to the pads, whether I'm impacting it or, you know, every time I'm just running it down with any kind of tool. I prefer to hold on to the pads like this, just to keep them from falling out.
And the light into the...
The light ended up going. Let me get the bottom one. And we'll come back with our wrench and give her a little tighten. Don't want them falling off. So we got that on. We are going to grab our brand new Sniff-tastic caliper. Slide those back. Get her on here. Get one situated. Gonna line up the rubbers so that you can get that hole and push it through. And the threads are on this side, so this just moves back and forth. Only thing that's stopping it is this side right here when it applies pressure on to the brake pad. So we're gonna bleed the brakes now. My assistant will pump the brakes up until he feels the stiff pedal, and then hold it down. Let me know when he's there.
Yeah.
And then we have a 8mm on this. This is a Napa brand. It could change from brand to brand what size it is.
Hit the floor.
Okay, one more time. Good. Pump it up, see how the pedal feels. Awesome. All right, so we're gonna slap the tire back on. We're done with this side. And you know what? Would humor you a little bit, but I think you get the gist of this. Repeat it on the other side. Just of it. Just of this. Just of it. All right.
My man.
It's a lot easier if you hit the studs. So much nicer using a car lift.
Much easier, but works what we got here.
Oh, here's that new one, eh?
Yeah. $5 a log.
Yeah, and those aluminum caps.
Yeah.
And a lot of people's, they tend to swell, and then you can't get them off. You have to take it, pound the aluminum cap off, and use a smaller socket. But there we are. We will return the 21 millimeter to the old half-inch mid-torque, and we'll just lightly run these in. They will be torqued on the ground. Go. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.